Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So on today's video we'll be looking on cockatiel. So I'm gonna be showing all the cockatiels that we currently own. Now in the first part of the video you will be seeing the baby cockatiels and their parents. Do you remember that set of cockatiels? Yes, where we had the cinnamon mother and the white-faced father, and they had given us 3 babies, 2 Lutino and 1 cinnamon. Now from the video you can see that the 2 Lutinos are eating on their own while the cinnamon is still being fed by the parents. Now guys, we're gonna move on over, and this is our flight cage. It has reduced in number. So yeah, in the flight cage, these are the birds available. There's 1 nesting box attached to that flight cage, and it is for a vacant spot. We have 1 spot over the breeding cage section, so we're waiting for a pair to start making nests in that box, or to be identified. So once a suitable pair is identified, then we'll move that nesting box as well as the suitable pair to the breeding cage. Alright, yes. So we are back again at the Lutino and their parents. Guys, this is my cue to leave. So before I go, thank you for watching the video. If you have reached this far, thank you. But please remember to guys, like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Thank you, goodbye, adios.